how to change color in PhotoPea. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to change color in PhotoPea. Alright, so let's begin. You will learn how we can easily change the color of your background or image or object in photopea.com. So there is two options. How we can do that? The first one is when you go to right click here and you will go with the hue and saturation. And now you need to put the hue saturation. Like what do you want to change? Let's say that I want to change the background. See, I can play with it like this. You can go with the master and it will change to multiple colors. You just choose what you want. Then you can go like to yellow and it will need to be changed but not too much. So with master, now when I go further like here and like this one and I need like this, you can change like everything. Look at this again. You can change like really easy to multiple colors if you would like. It's also really up to you. So that's kind of it. And now the second way how we can do it. Now when I have it, let's go click here on this top. What do you want to do is go with a quick selection. Choose the dog that I want to paint differently. You need to play with it a little bit. Go with the new field layer color field. Put the red or black or like any color. I didn't select the dog right, but that's how you can do it. By doing these easy steps, you can change the color in PhotoPea. So that's basically how you can change color in PhotoPea. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.